Nice apartment hotel, good place, have kitchen inside. Very good, perfect value for money, close to the city center. Room was quite big. Definitely recommended. Convenience facilities at Residhotel Lyon Lamartine. Residhotel Lyon Lamartine in Tassin-la-Demi-Lune, France, offers a range of convenient facilities to ensure a comfortable stay for all guests. With a laundry service and laundromat on site, you can easily keep your clothes fresh and clean throughout your stay. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, staying connected is essential, and Residhotel Lyon Lamartine has got you covered with both Wi-Fi in public areas and free Wi-Fi in all rooms. You can stay connected with loved ones, catch up on work, or simply browse the internet at your convenience. If you're in need of dry cleaning services, the hotel offers this facility as well, making it easy for you to keep your clothes looking their best. Additionally, for those moments when you need a quick snack or a refreshing drink, you'll find a vending machine on site, ensuring you can satisfy your cravings without having to leave the hotel. Residhotel Lyon Lamartine truly understands the importance of convenience and strives to provide all the necessary facilities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. Convenient transport facilities at Residhotel Lyon Lamartine. Residhotel Lyon Lamartine in Tassin-la-Demi-Lune, France, offers a range of convenient transport facilities to ensure a hassle-free stay for its guests. The hotel provides an on-site car park, allowing guests to conveniently park their vehicles without any hassle. Whether you are traveling by car or renting one during your stay, the on-site car park is a convenient and secure option. Please note that charges may apply for using the car park, but the peace of mind and convenience it offers are well worth it. With the car park on site, guests can easily explore the beautiful city of Lyon and its surrounding areas at their own pace, without worrying about finding parking spaces or incurring additional expenses. Delicious dining in a scrumptious breakfast buffet at Residhotel Lyon Lamartine. Residhotel Lyon Lamartine in Tassin-la-Demi-Lune, France, offers a delightful dining experience for guests to indulge in during their stay. The hotel's on-site restaurant is a culinary haven, serving up a delectable array of dishes that are sure to satisfy even the most discerning palates. From traditional French cuisine to international favorites, the restaurant offers a diverse menu that caters to all tastes and preferences. With its warm and inviting ambience, it is the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely meal with family and friends.